You have a remote control, right? It doesn't matter whose non-brand battery it is, correct? If it's not a Duracell or Energizer, we got a problem. And let me show you what the problem is. You pull the battery out and you got all this corrosion in there. What do you do now when those terminals don't make a connection and rot it away? You make yourself a little jumper and you put it in between, right? And when you do, you got a problem. There is a cover that goes on that's going to slide up and down. It's going to rip that cable out. That is a temporary fix if you leave the cover off, but it's not going to do the job. I probably am going to strip this down and use the wiring on here after I open up. I think if I have an old controller that I got no use for, they're identical in every way that I could swap them out, then wiring. So I'm going to open this bad boy up, clean it up, and try to get this into that. I got the soldering iron, I got a close-up camera, I got the tools. I got one of these to use and one of those to use. Looking around, no screws. I'll take the spanner, do my best to find a spot to grab it and pop it open. But before I do, I'm going to grab here. You can see that it didn't do anything. I'm going to squeeze. You can hear the clicking and the separation that I'm able to get the tool in. Then I'm going to start to snap away. Not all will do that. And then I'm able to open up. These are no good, but these are good right here. So let me see if I can remove this nicely and easily. I don't know if it's going to be the right one to go in because I need this to be on that side. This controller has got micro screws, so let's carefully take them out. This controller now needs to be separated. I'm able to get my fingers across and there is an opening here. And off we go. This one here is not corroded. This one here is corroded. Let's slide it out. I lost it and it broke apart, as you can see. There it is. all broken. I can't slide it in this way. But I can try to slide it in this way. It's seated in. Do our best to reposition the controller back on. All snapped on, nice and closed. And put back the 3 corresponding screws where they came out of. They're all identical, all 3. And close down. Now what we're going to do is put in the batteries. We can't get this as clean as we want. And when we put in our last battery, the screen will light up. Now we're able to take the door and close it up by sliding on and snapping into place. And now when we want to use our controller, the air conditioner controller, we no longer have to worry about the wiring that's going to come out every single time we move this to get our controls. And that is how you fix one of these things that simply rotted away from a cheap, inexpensive battery. No matter who they have to be a Duracell or Everready that are a trusted battery. No soldering required. Most of these controllers will do a mighty fine job in replacing a defective controller, that is. Enjoy. I hope you learned a very simple and easy lesson to replace something that can cost a lot of money. Enjoy.